settings within your pupil area, you're going to select the settings cog, change your website's configuration, pupil area, and then you'll get a list of all the different things that you can change. So here you can enable pupil quad blogging, so you can link schools so that you can blog between those schools rather than all the schools within School Spider. And there's lots of other different options you can do. So you can hide things on there, you can stop notifications coming to the administration area here, and you can also enable a different avatars. So there's two different sets. If you just tick this box, it's going to give you the other options, or you can disable avatars altogether. If you do want to override the titles of anything, just type the title within here and it will override that relevant item. Just remember that if you do override any of these items, when you set them up, it will still show as homework, discussions, etc., but it will show differently for the pupils once they've logged in. You can also change the way in which pupil posts show on the blogs or the homework items. Here you can input an email address that you want the report bullying notifications to go to. So anything that you do input in here or any boxes that you tick, just make sure that you always click on Save All Details at the bottom, and that will automatically update on the pupil area.